that waited. Fighting for Betty and Constance.
That's a little deer!
Oh my god!
This is a big father conspiracy. Are you worried about the establishment system telling you what to do with your children in your private life? Well, I want to hear from you, because I believe that you are factually wrong. And indeed, I believe that your attitude, not you, but your attitude is dangerous. I think it's highly, highly dangerous to resist government guidelines that babies and children should be vaccinated against things like measles, the MMR jab, and now health officials are warning against an emerging mistrust of the anti-cancer HPV jab.
And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Well, that's more than 40.
Dad is such a force of another opinion on me, or comments on me or whatever, and I like that. I don't want them really.
And how often do you get that thing where you get to the end of what you're writing and you go back and look at what you wrote at the beginning and think, oh, this is just shit?
Oh god, all the time. And also
tune of the second song. This week, teams are playing reverse one song to the tune of another, where they take the tune of one song and fit that to the words of the second song, making it.
That HGV should be on the stretcher there.
The policies of the Labour Party, they're not even really as radical as the 1945 Labour Party, which I would say that most people would really appreciate what the Labour Party did, and I look back on that as a do to a country. The electorate could look abroad for examples, but they're intoxicated by the cult of Corbyn, says Paul. This text, fear of a Labour government, my wife and I are already contingency planning should he succeed. I would leave the UK and take my business with me.
red light, red light. light, red light.
Red light, red light.